Welcome back. Salgaocar Sports Club came from behind twice to hold F.C Neftchi from Uzbekistan to a 2-2 draw in the A.F.C Cup. Salgaocar, who had lost the opening match in Oman, fought well to salvage a point at Fatorda on Wednesday. The halftime score was 1-all. A reporter from Fatorda, Samir Bhatt. GCS Goa Professional League 2020 tournament has successfully completed 3 exciting editions earlier this week. Prudent brings to you a thorough analysis of top 5 batsmen and top 5 bowlers of all the 3 GPL T20 tournaments. Sagun Kamath, who had a patchy Ranji career, is the undisputed batting champion with 777 runs in 3 GPLs, while Sahil Duri's controlled medium pace earns him the best bowler tag with 38 wickets.
First, let's take a look at the batting stats. Sagun Kamath was the highest run getter in the GPL 1 with 170 runs, the best in GPL 2 with 218 runs, and once again the best in GPL 3 with a staggering 389 runs. Sagun has accumulated 777 runs and is the highest run getter in all 3 GPLs.
It's the highest player at the auction, the best player in the final, the best player in the tournament. How do you feel personally?
Very relaxed today. I missed out on one day. I had to come back home because of my mom's illness. So hopefully everything went right for me, and thank God, by the grace of God, everything going well.
Sagun Kamath masterminded Salgaocar's 2 GPL T20 title victories. In the finals of GPL 1, he scored 60 odd runs and Salgaocar won by 3 runs. In 2012, Sagun powered his way to 80. Coincidentally, Salgaocar won by 3 runs once again. Here's a look at the top 5 Goan run getters in all the 3 GPL T20 competitions. Sagun Kamath leads the way, followed by Swapnil Asnorkar, who has accumulated 631 runs, youngster Keenan Vaz with 552 runs, Suraj Dongre with 398, while Regan Pinto, having not played in GPL 1, figures with 300 runs. Sahil Duri is not an express quick bowler. The Mapsa lad is military medium at best, but that does not hamper him from being the highest wicket taker with 38 wickets against his name in 3 editions of GPL T20. Sahil feels these numbers should be noted by the selectors when it comes to his Ranji selection.
I just want to perform like whatever tournaments I play. So remaining depends on the selector, how they remove team and all. So that's not in my hand. So I just wanted to perform in the same way. That's it. It was all hard work, like, and each wicket is a hard work, you can say, and all means like in final removing 3 wickets is like a really good job, and that just set a match for us because it was like 2 overs 20 runs something, and I gave only 5 runs and 3 wickets. No, but every year I'm doing like a same performance, like highest wicket taker now consecutive 3 years, but still I don't know like why I'm not getting chance in like in a squad. But let's see, like hope for the best, and just need a support like from the selector as well as.
Here's a look at the top 5 bowlers of GPL T20. Sahil Duri leads the pack with 38 wickets, followed by Sher Bahadur Yadav with 31 wickets. Speedster Saurabh Bandekar and Robin D'Souza with 26 and 23 wickets each, while Chennai Super Kings and Goa's decorated spinner Shadab Jakarti comes in at number 5 with 21 wickets. Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Prajot Pednekar with bureau inputs.
Log on to www.prudentmedia.in if you have missed our bulletin. You can also follow us on Twitter by following us at Prudent Goa to get latest news as and when they happen. Meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Take care and keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.